Today I'm going to explain how to play joy tennis. This is a great exercise for creating a sense of trust in a group, a sense of connection and well-being. I like it because it's also really versatile. You can play it online, you can play it with two people, you can play it with a whole group. But one of the best things about this game is that if you've ever found it hard to know what it is that you want, this is a way of stretching and warming those parts of your mind. So let's take a look at how to play. In this game, participants take it in turns to tell each other about something that they really enjoy. And as they're expressing it in 2 to 3 sentences, they're invited to recall those feelings in their body. Today we've got Leah and Stuart playing. To start with, Leah asks Stuart,
"So Stuart, tell me something that you enjoy."
Stuart takes a moment before he responds.
What do I like?
So here's the thing, we're not usually asked all the time, tell me about what you really like, tell me about what you love. It might take a little bit of time for you to notice and remember something that you really love doing.
I really enjoy the feelings in my body after exercising. It's almost like I can feel the blood rushing through me more and the serotonin being released.
As Stuart is expressing, it's a chance for Leah to get to know him a bit more, get to know something that he really loves. Once he's finished, they both take a deep breath together. This bit is important because it gives them a chance to notice what's the aftertaste of what Stuart just said. Now it's Stuart's turn to ask Leah.
Tell me something that you really enjoy.
I like eating a load of dates, but like the ones that are a little bit hard, like just sucking them in my mouth and just like waiting for them to get really mushy.
You go back and forth like this for a while.
I really enjoy falling asleep on the couch.
I enjoy soft things like this. Like I love just putting my hands in it.
I like great conversation.
I really enjoy walking through a like thick shrub of trees.
You can set a time limit, or you can just do it until you feel really, really good. When you hear from someone else about something that they really like, it can help you to feel closer to them, and it makes them a bit more relatable. This practice seems really simple, but it can have a really great effect on changing your mood. First up, give yourself time. This is almost the most important part of the game, giving yourself the space to reflect and remember on the things that you really love and enjoy. Recall the sensations and feelings in your body as you are sharing that experience. I love the feeling of the sunlight washing across my skin when I'm on holiday. I love how it makes me feel warm and happy. The more I'm feeling those feelings in my body, the better I feel afterwards, and the more it transmits to my partner. Be as precise as you can when you respond. Try to articulate as clearly as possible the thing that you love or that you enjoy doing. Talk about how it affects you, how it makes you feel. Talk about the sensations. Be as specific as you can. The great thing about this game is you can play at different levels. I've done this with businesses and organizations to warm people up for conferences and meetings. I've done this with my family members to rebuild connection when we haven't seen each other for a while. You can even play this with children to help encourage them and celebrate them in knowing the things that they love. With each different person that you play with, there's new experiences to be had. Our brains can't tell the difference between when we're thinking about the thing and when we're actually experiencing the thing. So we get all the benefits from those positive neurochemicals just from thinking about it and talking about the experience. We can easily forget what we've enjoyed doing and our good experiences. This game is a way of connecting back to those things that bring us fulfillment and warmth and happiness. This is good for our mental health. I invite you to try this out for yourself and write in the comments below, let me know how it went. I'm Adam Wilder from Togetherness, the movement for more meaningful connection. Check us out at togetherness.com. Thanks for watching.